What moves me the most about being a barber is the connection I'm able to have with other people. People deserve to be seen, to be heard, and to be loved. I feel like there's a lot of kids that go through their whole day maybe feeling like nobody sees them, nobody hears them, or nobody feels for them.
Bikers Against Bullies is an empowerment program for youth. So today in the school, what we actually do is we bring the motorcycles, we bring our Can-Ams in there, and we actually talk to kids, and we do things like skits and programs in which we get to show kids what the ramifications of better decision-making are. It's all about empowering kids.
Live from Atlanta, VicBlends. We showed up yesterday. We got to be here today. You know why we're here? Because there's no place we'd rather be.
Nah, front. Yeah, for sure.
Good, man.
I'm shaking.
Bro, you ain't gotta be nervous, dog. We really just chilling. What'd you think about the rally today?
It was crazy, man. It was crazy.
All of y'all look like rough.
Yeah.
And so like I would be scared of them, but I'm not because they're actually really nice and they talk a lot about good stuff.
Bullying is just people criticizing you, making fun of you, you know. Like I try to ignore that, you know, because I know that probably will hold some people down, but I never let bullying hold me down.
Yeah, what do you think about the word empowerment?
Empowerment, I think of the word as encouraging people to say that you can always do it. There's nothing in the world that can stop you from doing what you want to do.
Wow.
I am so excited about the partnership with BRP because BRP is allowing us to do the things we've never been able to do before. While we grow, we empower more kids. If we empower more kids, we live in a different world.
Everybody out there has a battle that they're dealing with right now. Why not just take a couple of seconds to empower them, to encourage them? I mean, I got a lot of belief for this next generation, the youth. I mean, that's where it starts.